Caucasian. Like how they make them peas fly, he with them Asians. I'm in it for the long ride, no hesitation. I'm waiting for a long time for being famous. I wake up every day, I swear to God I make a play. They lining up for nuggets like this shit is Chick-fil-A. I'm scoring all these buckets like I'm in the NBA.
This is what we about to work on. Customer is kind of complaining because it's been a little bit since we've been able to work on it. I did let him know that I was real short on help, so he understands to a point, but it's been a couple weeks, so now they want to go on vacation. This other truck's breaking down and stuff, and this is what we got to deal with here. Just no steering at all. Look. It's stuck in this spot with the wheels in that position, so we can just go straight back into the garden there, or we can go straight up into the field there. That's it. Cody and Josh are gonna disconnect basically the steering rack to hub area so that we can manually move the wheels. Pretty sure we got to drop the subframe K member area to unbolt the rack from the top so that we can replace it. The new steering rack is right here in front of Sean's Fox body. As you can see, there's no crazy lines going to it. It's all wires. So it's all electronic. It's all electronic bullshit.
That 1.5 ton jack would work. Not need much. The hell yeah.
That shit's jammed up. That shit ain't going nowhere.
Alright, so the last you probably heard was from Josh. Big Josh, not little Josh. Little Josh is back there chilling out. He was the star of the show, getting this car moved in here. We had to disconnect the steering rack on the inside here. There should be like a tie rod right there. That's the end of it, right in the center of the frame. Kind of out of focus. But now we have it on the scissor lift with 4 jack stands underneath each scissor arm. So that kind of thing's a old, kind of sketchy. And this is all to get to the steering rack. So we gotta take this whole bottom frame off here and drop it down. So we gotta take these 2 front wheels off, take the knuckles off there, and pretty much drop the whole subframe down, take the rack off of it, put the new rack on, put it all back up, button it all back up, and then it should be pretty much good.
Way before I was grinding, I was just fine then. Take me back to 2010, I was alive then. They don't wanna see you when you up and you be shining. They don't wanna believe you when you see the silver lining. Crazy how they only ones that's real, the ones that's dying. I don't know where everybody went, it's like they hiding. And nowadays they don't wanna hear your pain, they say you whining. And they gon' say you weird if you a man and then you crying. See, he was double stubborn, now his pockets on a diet. I remember I was dead broke, so I was quiet. Wish that we grew to be what we used to be. But now I'm losing sleep, and now you losing me. I always knew it'd be up to you and me, but now you losing me. Float my body down the river, if it all goes bad. Mama said I'd be a winner, God said not so fast. Float my body down the river, if it all goes bad. Mama said I'd be a winner, God said not so fast.
Boy, do I love heat. My fucking favorite movie.
Way before I sinned, I was just vibing. Take me back to 05, bet I was fine then. Nowadays you hit me for that work, well that I'm sliding. I ain't got no job, but at least you know that I'm trying. It's a crazy world we live in, everybody be lying. Fake profile, that ain't the car that you driving. And nowadays that's why everybody be dying. Fake lifestyle, now your mama out here crying. Wish that we grew to be what we used to be, but now I'm losing sleep, and now you losing me. I always knew it'd be up to you and me, but now you losing it all goes bad. Mama said I'd be a winner. God said not so fast. Flow my body down the river. If it all goes bad. Mama said I'd be a winner. God said not so fast.
I ran out to get the boys' money from the bank, and they done got the K member out, the old steering rack out. I just seen it on the ground somewhere. There it is. That's crazy. Wait, is that the new one on it?
Yeah. Let's just go back in. What the fuck are you talking about over there?
Fuck, late to the party, buzz.
This is craziness. What did you just say?
I didn't do shit. I didn't.
That boy just looked at me and told me they just straight piped this Explorer and put cutouts. It just blows straight out the side.
Turned into like a Hot Wheels car.
So everything is in and installed. We went to go start it and move it, and I'll show you. We still had lights. We used Shawnee's scanner, and it wasn't able to read or connect with that module.
StabiliTrak module.
So we got the other Cody's funky dancer scanner.
Still got 0.
Of truth.
We have power steering, baby. Woo! Look at this shit. Unless you didn't disconnect it. The tires
We
moving?
forgot to put the tie rods on.
There's no way. Are the tires moving?
Yeah. Woohoo! See fit, baby. Back this bitch out here.
That scan tool paid for itself, bro.
Already.
For real.
It just paid for itself. Let's take it around the block. Cody whipping the Explorer. We just swapped the power steering rack. Looking like he's not struggling one bit.
No, this shit's glides.
This shit, you couldn't even turn it with fucking 2 hands. It was like, it was worse than the 6.4.
One finger. Look at this shit. One finger.
1 finger steering. I don't hear no clunking. We're on the actual road now. We're going down past the house.
Now I'm gonna like let the steering
He's gonna let go and we'll see what happens. Go ahead.
Going to the right.
Oh my god, it pulls to the right bad.
Yeah.
Now what about wiggling left and right? Is there any clunking? Wiggle it faster, tighter wiggles. I feel stiff as fuck. We're good.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, that feels good, but it definitely is pulling. Pull the road. And now let off the wheel. Pulling to the left now. What? Try it again.
She's kind of straight.
Wait, it's going to the right a little bit now though.
100% alignment. I mean, just taking it back to the other shop.
Yeah. I'd call it fixed.
There it is. We did a reprogram and everything. As you guys seen, Cody and Sean took it for a little ride. It did good, so the customer is coming to get it. Bye bye cow print. There are old parts in the box in there.